So you have to look at, I'll call it, some opposite ends of the spectrum, and then I'll show you where apt fits in evolved. So at the lowest level, you hear the quadcopter terminology. Now, it's a little of a misnomer. Many of the resupply aircraft that are quadcopter style are multi-blades. They can be as many as 12. But it still falls under that general category that you have multiple blades and it's takeoff and landing vertical, but there is no other propulsion. So it's using quite a bit of its energy just to stay in the air. And then it can only go so fast because you can only tilt your rotor so far. And you'll see that a lot in many of the commercials for package delivery. On the far end of the extreme, on the other side, is your optionally piloted aircraft. Think about our work right now with V-280 and autonomy, the ability to fly an aircraft around a manned platform without pilots on board. That scenario, you have all the capability you want, a very fast aircraft, very capable.
Where does apt fit into this conversation? We have all the advantages of the VTOL aircraft and the range of the fixed wing. What really sets it apart from all other competitors is the aircraft has no central fuselage, which means it breaks up into very small boxes. The heaviest weight is 57 pounds. So you can imagine this makes it easy to put on the back of a truck. Anywhere that you're transporting supplies, the apt can ride along, not as its own entity, but as a ride-along.